India's first national park of Answer C. Jim Corbett National Park. Which iron steel plant was set up with British technical assistance? Answer B. Durgapur. Where are the headquarters of the Zoological Survey of India, which conducts surveys for fauna in India? Answer D. Kolkata. The maximum distance between the Sun and the Earth is called? Answer C. Upsor. Which is the biggest planet of the solar system? Answer A. Jupiter. Where is the Olympic building in India located? Answer B. New Delhi. Which state is the largest producer of gypsum in India? Answer B. Rajasthan. Which country is the largest producer of tungsten in the world? Answer C. China. Rudraprayag is situated at the confluence of which rivers? Answer C. Mandakini and Alaknanda. Which state of India has the largest reserve of coal? Answer D. West Bengal. Which of the following is the largest river of peninsular India? Answer C. Godavari. Which of the following state is the largest producer of manganese in India? Answer C. Madhya Pradesh. Sardar Sarovar Dam is built on which of the following river? Answer B. Narmada. Which is the longest canal in India for agriculture irrigation? Answer C. Indira Gandhi Canal. The famous Gir forest is located in which state of the country? Answer C. Gujarat. Which state has the highest forest cover among the following Indian states in terms of area? Answer C. Madhya Pradesh. West Bengal shares border with how many countries? Answer C. 3. Which city is called Garden City? Answer C. Bangalore. The Archie target are related to? Answer C. Conservation of biodiversity. The oldest mountain in India according to geographical history are? Answer B. Aravallis. Where does the Ganges river form a delta? Answer B. Sundarbans. What is lagoon? Answer B. Lake. Koina project is related to which state? Answer C. Maharashtra. Neeli Thermal Power Station is related to which state of India? Answer C. Tamil Nadu. Which river is known as Dakshin Ganga? Answer B. Godavari. Where is the famous Chilka Lake? Answer B. Odisha. The longest dam in India is? Answer C. Hirakud Dam. Chambal river flow through which of the following states? Answer A. Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Which of the following states is the largest producer of peanuts? Answer C. Gujarat. Which one is mined in the eastern ghats of Andhra Pradesh? Answer A. Bauxite. Maximum salt is produced in the state of? Answer C. Gujarat. The river running in both China and India is answer C. Brahmaputra. Which state first received rainfall due to southwestern monsoon? Answer C. Kerala. The Indian state claimed by China as a part of its territory is answer C. Arunachal Pradesh. Hirakud Dam is constructed on which river? Answer B. Mahanadi. Which of the following state does not share border with Rajasthan? Answer D. Uttarakhand. Who makes the V-shaped valley? Answer A. River. In which ocean the largest number of islands are found? Answer B. Pacific Ocean. Which of the following is not an oceanic island? Answer C. Malagasy. The world's largest island is answer C. Greenland. Which is the largest island group of the world? Answer A. Indonesia. The formation of ozone hole is maximum. Answer D. Over Antarctica.